While FPV drones work great and are highly cost-effective against tanks, the most common result is a damaged or immobilized tank with only one strike. This has left the Ukrainian drone army to send more swarm attacks now, as drone production has ramped up, and making sure the tank is destroyed removes Russia the ability to repair any tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. There is however another very effective drone alternative to take out tanks, and that is heavy rotor drones, which can carry multiple shape-charged warheads, letting them to drop with high accuracy against the weaker part of the tank, resulting often as seen here, a tank getting an internal fire, which causes the ammunition to detonate, tossing the turret away. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.